Welcome back to part 4 of this YouTube special, trying to design a pipe in Mota X. And last we built a virtual engine that didn't perform at all, and it's this curve. You can see that wasn't nice at all. Excuse me. And I can take away the other curves. No, that became remove. Remove. So we got some view, nice views. This is the curve I created last in part 3, and it didn't work at all, as you can see. And how to correct this? Well, I have pre-calculated this. I have designed the new exhaust port, this one, because the other one wasn't good at all. I just took some numbers from the air and just put it in, and actually planned to do it very wrong, so I could do this episode and try to correct it. And I designed this, and later on I designed this. And let's move on. I'll open the edit and existing. It's that one. And I also corrected the angles. I have in my CAD software here, I have sketched up how a typical two-stroke cylinder is designed. This inner lines here is this exhaust port, and the outer line there, and the middle lines is this exhaust port. I use this to get the length of the cord, lengths of the corda. Can't remember if that's the correct name, but however, a part of the radius of the cylinder bore, which is the opening port. And I've sketched up some angles for the primary transfer ports, primary, secondary and boost ports. I have added those into here. As I can open exhaust and you can look. Oh, this went out of the screen where I'm not recording, but 32.6 is the width. You got that here, and top radius, I can see it, it's 100 millimeter, and the radius 15 on the bottom here. I have put in those values. Fully open at bottom dead center, and starts to open 85 degrees after top dead center. One port. This is one port. So I simulated that, and with corrected transfer ports, we can look at that. I can exit. No, I won't save because I've already done it. We can view it, the graphical information. I'll open this first as it was chaos, and then add the other one, test is that one. You see this, I need to horsepower. And this is the first, and this is the second when corrected the exhaust and transfer ports over here. And you see a huge gain, because now the engine starts to work, actually. You see from 4.7 horses up to 15.5. I don't know if it's the real peak, but yeah, something in that area. And later on, I took away that exhaust port and did this exhaust port. And the lines you can see here is how to measure the width when I can show you putting in the how to specify the port look into Mota. Edit, test larger exhaust. You see here I have, see if I can, yes, I have chosen to As you can see, 2 ports. These are 2. And bridged, yes, it's bridged. Profiled, yes. And by here I have divided it to 11 parts, or 11 lines and 10 parts. So 11 lines, and the top line is 8.2 from here to there, and 26 from there to there, and so on and so forth. And so Mota knows the design of the port. And yes, I simulated that. Exit, no save. Open. Where is it? Graphical information. I'll start with this one again. This is Chaos, HP, and I add that one. I need to reconfigure like that. And you see huge gain, and now I'll add this port. Add larger exhaust. And I'll need to reset. See again. Now we're up at 19 HP. Not very good, but it starts to. Well, I had huge, much better mid-range with a single port. And now the dual port is, I'm losing some mid-range here. That might be due to transfer angles and such. It's escaping into the bigger exhaust port. But I got a huge gain on top. And later on I put in some, I had a flat ignition curve and a flat fuel curve. I'll test larger exhaust, corrected fuel ignition. Yeah. You see, let's see what this green curve here. I gained some with earlier ignition and lost some on top, but overall a bigger peak number, about 0.5 horses, that region. I gained a little bit. I can probably gain some more, but might be hard. Yes, I can gain more, but it might be risk of what do you call it, pre-ignition and such with higher ignition values. And later on, I optimize the port, not the port, the pipe. Let the Mota calculate with this optimization function. I let it optimize, and I can add that curve. This is Opti, and it happened something. But I lost. I only chose one number. I chose to optimize it at 12,500 RPM. I can reset like that so you can see. I'm up at 22.3 horses now, and I can choose a wider range of optimizing, but I just chose 12,500 RPM to, you can see it 12,493. I chose that to make it easy, and I thought I'll optimize it to a wider range now live when recording this. And so let's run this. Let's take that function and take that again and set the optimization parameters. So for power, here I just chose one earlier, like this. And then I chose 12,500. Now I'll choose all of them. And let's set 13,500 back, 12,500, 11,500, 10,500, 9,500, 8,500. I just do it 1,000 RPMs increments. I can tighten it up, but I'll just do it for show. And this is how much I want the program to optimize certain RPM points. So let's say this value from 1 to 9. 1 is the highest value for priority, and 1 is the lowest. And I'll set 5, and later on 10 pipe should be start to pull. So I'll set 7 and 8, 9 and 9, and at this it's all over. So I don't need it to rev a lot, but let's set 7 there also. Now it shows the name Opti 2. I'll skip that. It's just a reminder for set a note. Next screen, select this, and I can choose all section length, but I'll choose this one is the flange. I will not, so I choose this one. And include tailpipe. Yes. Next screen. And wait a second. I need to change one thing. Exit, yes. We need to redo this. I'll need to change one thing. I remember I changed it earlier, but that was not saved in this file. So edit this one, expansion chamber. Right here. Oh, oops, right here. Let's see. No, I might have resaved it. Oh, whatever. Yes, I have done it. I made the tailpipe inside these numbers, let's say row 6, and then I had tailpipe again, and doing that Mota was freaking out. So we'll return and next and exit the main menu. Yes, run the simulator, optimization, and this one. And optimization parameters, need to do this again then. Set 6 and 13,500. Oops. 9.5, 8.5, 5.7. Should this became the same? Whatever. 7.997. Opti 2. Hello. Just you can put whatever you want there. Optimization parameters and continue, and I will not include this one. But like that, and include tailpipe length. This is a very short one right here. Yes, and diameter. Blah 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 blah. You can pause and read it if you want to. I'll go on. I will not choose this one because the barrel is what it is. I don't want to port it right now. So I'll choose this one. Include tailpipe diameter, yes. Yes, but not include section inflow. No. I want to alter this. Retain section 4, the belly, as parallel. Like that, next screen. And then start. This will take a while. And as you can see, it starts to. These are the RPM points, by the way, up from 8,500 up to 13,500. And you can see it starts to optimize and find the high numbers. And and it's done. And this time it became a very odd shape pipe, so I'll just say Mota can't do everything. It will sometime F up also, even though there might be some. I'll pause here for a while. And Mota can, it isn't smart, it's just a computer, it's AI. You need to have some experience to see what's working and not working. This pipe it did now, I promise you it will not work. But we can look at the values anyway. I'll just show you the pipe first. The 3 and expansion chamber, and look at the profile. It doesn't look that bad anyway, but it felt very strange. This long header is very strange, but it might just work, but I can't promise it. However, next screen, exit the main menu, yes, then we'll look at the graphic information. Start this very bad one, just power, add, and add, 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 add. Oh, I need to remove, it was too many. I can take away the first optimization. Add optimization 3 and reset this like that. Now it became a very strange shape here, but we gained some power. So we can remove this one and remove this one and remove this one, and we can, this is how I set it up from 2 optimization. Let the Mota did its work on 2 different, how I put the weights, how it prioritizes the RPM. I set it almost the same here, and it became almost the same, but I set it to now I want to rev, and it became that also. And 25 horses on the crank in an 85cc engine that isn't really optimized yet, but we're heading somewhere. So one can sit in hours and hours and optimize. And yeah, this will be the last episode. You can ask me questions how to do this and also give me some advice, because I ain't the best in the world on this one, but I'll gladly take some advice. But I show you a little bit how to do it and how to alter the cylinder and alter where to optimize and such. You can later, if you want, also put in some more stages into the header and diffusers. I just used a 2-stage pipe. No, 1-stage pipe. Just to make the simulation fast. Having 3-stage and maybe 5-stage and 2-stage end baffle, it takes a lot of time to simulate such a pipe. I'll end off here.